What's going on, BSG? So we are going to do an unboxing today. Um, I got something for the Mustang, I got something for the truck, and I got something for my daughter's car that we got to get done. All right. Well, first of all, let me start off with saying we got an issue with the old Mustang over there. It's overheating and got a little damn milkshake look like in the oil. So I got some head gaskets that I'm going to change the head gaskets and rechange all the gaskets, and then I'm going to well, I'm gonna show y'all. AN10s. All right, and we're gonna put it on the car so that way we can pump out with the oil bypass and stuff like that. That's what I say, the oil blow by. Also at the same time, I have these to put on the valve stems. Well, I'm gonna take the heads off. I'm gonna have to do that. And when I take those heads off, I'm thinking about adding this. I gotta damn, because I never did it before. So if I'm gonna do it, then I gotta be smart about it. And I don't want the car to be down. I don't even want this to take a week. I want this to take a couple of days. And I think the most time I'm gonna have with doing this is probably putting these on. Because the springs gotta come off, then the other stuff gotta come off, and everything gotta be broken down. But the heads gotta come off anyway, so that's the best time to do it. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so here in this box, we have, my brain is gone right now, but we have this. We got some bearings. Oh my God, I'm sorry for shaking that. See, we got bearings to go on, and this is for my 5.3, the other motor 5.3 I have. Some other bearings, main bearings, and here go the damn push rods. No, I'm sorry, connecting rods right here. I still got to get the damn the top piece to go to it, which I can't think of it right now because my mind is everywhere. And you know, for those that don't know, that's not in my family. I had another death in the family, and my wife is down in Michigan, back in Michigan again for that one. My uncle passed. The one whose son had passed, my auntie, my auntie lost her son and her husband in the same month. So it's been crazy. It's been very crazy. So we're gonna move on though. All right, so the new, these are for the 5.3 motor that I'm gonna rebuild. What is this here? Oh, this here is also take the springs off the heads for the 5.3. I don't know if I can use this for the Ford. I'm sorry. I don't know if I can use this for the Ford. I probably can't. But again, I'm new to it, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. But I don't think I can. Let me look in here what this is here. Slide this out. I looked at one. Oh, okay. Yes. This is for the truck, for the door pins. That's what this is for. I haven't did these before neither, but I hear it's real easy. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna save this one for last. This right here is for, I took my daughter's car for service, her 2015 Audi, and they said that I need to, well, they wanted to change the brakes. The rear brakes were out. So I'm figured, since the rear brakes, they were in the yellow, should I say. Everything else in the car was good, was golden. But they said those are in the yellow, and the they need to be changed. I said, okay, I'll change them, because they wanted stupid money to change them. So I went and bought the rear rotors and brake pads, and that's what that is. And here in the next week or two, we're gonna change those. I don't know what my next video gonna be. It's either gonna be changing those rear brakes, or doing these doors at the same time. I'm gonna take the doors off, and at the same time, when I take them off, I'm gonna do the body work on those doors. So you might catch me with a little bit of body work. And also, hit me up in the video, man. If leave me a comment if y'all want to see me do these do the body work on this truck, because I've been doing it, and I think it's boring. I hate doing body work, but it's got to be done so this thing can make it to the paint shop by my deadline, my self-imposed deadline, should I say. All right, so let's move on to the next thing. I can't recall what this other stuff is, so let's look at it. You'll see at the same time I see it, because I have forgot all about it. Well, I forgot what I ordered. Where is my razor blade? I hate sitting stuff down and losing it. Jesus Christ. So, let's work with these scissors here. Oh, okay. This here is for the Mustang. These here is to replace those things over there. Now it look like I'm gonna have to paint these, or I might just leave them dark gray. I don't know, but that's for those, because I'm taking those gauges off. I don't need those gauges anymore. Yep. So that's a good deal right there. Yep. I'm glad I got these. Yep. I forgot all about it. Yep. This one here is for that one over there on the driver's side. Yeah. Yep. So since I got it, I might as well change both of them. Yes, sir. Matter of fact, let me put those in here right now. Guys, we are almost done with these projects. We are almost done. Almost done. I know y'all probably like, man, you ain't almost done. Damn it, I am almost done. Oh shit, okay. We got a sticker. Yep, gotta keep that sticker. We'll put that sticker right there. Put this here. Oh, matter of fact, let me just throw this over here to the other side. I got one thing that I'm gonna try to do myself, and I'm not gonna do it out of wood. I'm gonna do it out of metal. If it works, I'm gonna make it removable. If it works, it works. If it don't, Jesus Christ, it just don't. I'm gonna have to find somebody to do but I might go ahead and do it. I'm gonna do it anyway, whether it looks ugly or not. If it's ugly, then it's gonna have to stay until I can get somebody to build me one that will look better, because I need it for what's in this box right here. So, but let's get to here. Get this crap here. Oh, this is light, so this is probably one of my gasket kits. Let me put this down. I can't keep holding this thing here. Put this over here. new gasket kit for the Ford. Yep. I'm gonna change everything. Headers, header bolt, the header gasket, the header, the heads, the valve covers, water pump. I'm gonna change all of that. Yeah, I'm gonna change it all. Whatever I got in here, I'm gonna put on that damn car. Yep. That's gonna be my last deal. But that's a new motor. So, and I can't recall right now. I can't if I didn't do it or not. And because that was the issue with my last one, the other motor that the cylinder wall cracked. And I got underdrive pulleys on this damn car, and that's another reason why it's probably overheating. Those underdrives, I'm taking those off, and I'm gonna get OEM pulleys to put back on there. I only did what did I do? I only did 2 of them. That would be the fan and the crank. But these are all just actual, the regular size ones. So I didn't change none of these other ones. So I don't think I changed this one. I might have changed this one too as well. I might have did that. I think that's all that is a bolt. Yeah, but all these can change. All 3 of those get changed back over. Yep. It's getting changed because I have to. I want this car to run good, and it sounds good. I'm not gonna mess with none of the. I'm not gonna change out none of the timing or nothing. Matter of fact, what's gonna happen is that once I get this crap here redone again, once I do it, we're gonna take that to get the damn, or either I can learn it by then and get it dialed in all the way. Because once I get the overheating done, I'm gonna get out and drive this thing to keep it from so that it can get into the learn mode. Because it's self-learning, but it got to get up to 160. And right now, this car is getting to 200. Mustangs don't run like that. Man, Fords don't run like at 200. GMs run at 200, but Fords do not run at 200. They run like 185, 190, 195. Well, not even 195. 185, 190 maybe. If you're in a cold environment. But this here got to come down, and we're going to get that crap down. I done messed with too many Fords not to be able to get that crap down, so we're going to get it down. Alright, so let's get here to this one. And if I'm mistaken, this here is the gasket kit for the 5.3 that I'm building, which I'm going to do a video on. You guys see that? Because I still got a couple things to get. I want a cam. Woo. Man, we got a whole lot of stuff in here. We got an actual rebuild kit for the 5.3. We got a whole rebuild kit for the 5.3. We got new bolts and everything. We got every gasket you ever need. We got the also we got some more of these for the 5. Well, this is for the 5.3. Those other ones are for the 4. We're gonna change those. So yeah, we got work to do. We got work to do. Feel like there's every type of gasket in here that you could ever damn need. And they gave me doggone that's something good. They gave me silicone for it. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get busy with that one. We're gonna redo the whole thing. Yeah, here go the head gaskets. Yes, sir. So I want some lift. I got lifters I gotta get. From what I keep hearing, the LS7 lifters is the one to get. What else? And I think that's it. I think that'd be it. Oh yeah, lifters. Oh, I gotta get the new lifter trays as well. Get those, and that's gonna be it, people. So let's get over here to this. we got over here. Now, this is why I'm gonna make that center console. This is my new shifter that I went after to get. I want that shifter, so that's what we're gonna use that. All right. So this thing got good positive shifts. Even though I'm not gonna be shifting it like that, I'm just gonna put it in drive and go about my business, right? This is a nice solid shifter with a housing already. Maybe I can take this here. Yeah. I could just look like I could take, let me see. Look like I can take this here off and leave it like that. I'll see how it's gonna look. Yep. This baby here, it's gonna go up in somewhere up in there, but I'm gonna have it sitting up like this. Yep, something like that. Because I gotta put something up here. I want a screen to go up in here somewhere. Yep. So that's it, man. That's all I got for this video. Short video. Something to get me back in the groove, man. Because I've been in the dumps a little bit lately. Not only has Texas been a bad February for Texas has been bad, and then it also been real kind of hectic for my family. So hopefully this gets me back into the groove and get going. I got projects to do. I got stuff I need to finish, and I'm gonna get it done. So like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna catch you on the next one.